How you going, guys? Dave from Tassie. I'm back. It's been a while. I've been pretty busy. I haven't been doing a lot of gold prospecting, but I brought a furnace. I've been melting down copper. I have been doing a bit of gold prospecting, piles adding up. Something different today, different video. I'm in beautiful Tamar Yacht Club at the moment. Have a look around. Bloody beautiful here. I'll give you the camera, bud. I'm with my boy. Ethan. I did a video about 5 years ago, him doing an absolute awesome gold pan. It had about, I don't know, 500 bloody specs in it, in one pan. It was awesome. I'll just introduce him. How you going, buddy?
Pretty good.
Oh, you're a grown up now, mate.
Yeah, I'm grown up.
How old are you?
17.
17. Good to see you again, man. We don't see each other much, do we?
No.
Debbie and I just were in the process of selling the house, and I thought, what am I going to do with myself? What am I going to do? And I thought, I haven't been a real good dad. I probably should put a bit of effort into spending a bit of time with my boy. And I said, what do you like, mate? And he said, oh, he likes women. I said, I can't help you there. He likes playing video games. I said, I'm no good at that shit, man. And he said, oh, he likes motorbike riding and fishing and boating, that sort of stuff. I said, all right. So look what I did. I went and I got this dinghy. Oh, isn't it lovely? Captain David. That's what you could do. Or everyone used to call me Dr. Buckle. You can call me Captain David now. I got this off of Captain Lang. I brought it off him. 15 horsepower. It's got a water snake in the back there. Open that back door up, bud. It's got a you know, real long life heavy duty battery, and it's got one of them electric motors that goes on the front. It's actually pretty good. I've used it. That's it there. I'll hook that up. So what do you reckon, bud? We've got about 20 k's or 30 k's or something to go up the river here. Yep. Till we get to the ocean. I want to catch a squid. What are you going to go for?
Everything.
Everything?
I want a seafood basket.
Hey? A seafood basket? Oh, this is lovely, mate. You got a nice spot you live in here.
Beautiful.
A little bit far away from your dad, but doesn't matter. Maybe I can move up closer once this house goes through. Oh, look at it. It's just like glass, isn't it, mate? Yeah. Should be a good day.
Perfect.
All right. Without further ado, let's get this boat in the water, bud. Get into her.
You want me to go over to the pontoon?
Yeah. Alright, where am I going? Well, mate, yourself?
Alright. Are you a member of the Tamar Yacht Club?
No.
This is a private ramp.
I had no idea. I'm not from around here, mate. I've come up, my boy lives up here.
There's the one around Inspection Head, around there.
How far?
Just around the corner. Know where Inspection Head is, just side of the wall. Don't worry about it today, but...
Oh, no, I appreciate that. Otherwise I'd have to load it back on. And,
no,
I had no idea, mate. Honestly,
that,
I wasn't trying to do the wrong thing or anything.
So, there's one Inspection Head there.
it's alright, mate. It's good. I enjoy it too.
Fun I've had in fucking a long time.
A lot of people do is they use that water snake, especially in dams. Not dams, lakes and that. And that there's no, oh wow, this is really flowing, look at that. I like trawling, because you're still going somewhere, we're still going out there, but you got a chance, you know? Look how shallow it is. Fucking hell.
I don't want to bottom out.
Where's the deep bit? We'll have to go out this way, I think. Fucking hell. What a reef, mate. Oh. Fuck that hell.
Shallow, right?
Real fucking shallow. You meant to follow those red things? Sticking out over there, see it? See what I did then? You lift the motor up. Hey, you on, boat? Hey, what do you reckon? Have a guess, have a guess.
Fish.
Don't go ruining my life jacket. Fish?
Oh, yeah.
They spike me.
It's decent fish too.
Well, you got half of it's probably your sinker. I,
It's not bad.
oh yeah, this is what it's all about, mate. Hey, first fish of the day. First fish of the day. What is it? What is it?
What's your guess?
I don't know. Do you want me to put the camera underwater and have a look at it coming up?
See it?
It's wearing you out, mate. It's wearing you out.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it. Flathead, flatty.
Nah.
Oh, it's a gurnard.
You bastard.
Hello, Mr. Gurnard. I'm not doing it. You do it. Yeah.
I wouldn't know how, man.
What?
With a gurney. To not kill yourself.
No, that's not going to kill you. Get your pliers. Or your gloves. Have you got gloves? Fucking gurnard. Sorry, mate. We'll be with you in a minute. Ethan's messing around.
Yes. I apologise too.
Just, you know, get the pliers and put the, just pull the hook out. Oh, it's wrapped himself up, has he?
Yeah. It's a bit more lively this time. See?
Oh, he's on. He's on. It's all fun anyway, isn't it? Even if you get a gurnard in.
I love it. Love it.
Yeah.
Plus, I don't usually catch gurney. Just
Yeah.
deep sea.
Yeah.
Used to be fish.
I'd say parody. What is it? It looks edible.
It does look at it.
Do you want me to hold that?
What is that?
If nothing else, you could use it for bait another time. Yeah, you could put him back in though, could you?
No, not really.
Oh shit!
Holy.
I fucking had no idea that was there. What way are we going?
From there to here.
Oh man, that could have been bad. Oh, I wasn't even looking. Look at the bird on there. You know. Oh, that's a bit bigger. That's a fighter. Eh?
Got some kick.
Little salmon, I reckon. Ah, big parody. This is, you remember you said about can you fish for money? People just go out and catch parody all day. I don't know how much it is a kilo, you know, but they'd add up because you can just pull them in all day long. There's so many of them.
Yeah.
Why?
About as long as that.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean shit.
Then I can measure this.
Hmm?
Then I can measure the tackle
Oh,
box.
yeah. Is it about as long as that?
Yeah, it is as long as that.
Is my foot in the way?
Nah, I can't see this because it's got no measurements.
Yeah.
Nah, what size?
He darted back down that fucker.
He was lively. It's
Yeah.
bites. Oh, fuck.
You take it off for me, won't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do it.
You down to move spots?
Huh?
You down to move spots?
Yeah, yeah. I'm just going with the flow, mate. You want to go on the sand?
Yeah.
I've got a cold shiver, man. I'm burnt and it's cold. Look at me. I'm drying up.
It's a shiver.
Look at that. I'm drying up. Oh, like, fucking hell.
That was a cracker.
What? Wait, a squid? You fucking... I got excited then. That's fucking funny. Yes, they are. Yeah, I'm on, baby. This could be bad. They're talking back, baby. That's it.
Forward?
Yeah. Oh, I don't like this seat. It's too far forward. Needs to be back here. That one's comfy, eh? So you do it, Ethan. No, you got a fish yet? Oh, you still waiting for one? What's going on? Oh, look, you left the real thing down there.
I put that piece of bait on real good, so... Oh, I think that's a bite. That's a bite. That's bites.
Yawn. Yawn.
Just can't escape him. Beach.
Same one.
Nah, tawny.
No, but coming on dark, not dark. The squid, the best time for squid is just before sunset. Ooh. Do the honours.
Stop whining him.
Don't stop whining and pull him in.
You know what's going on.
Don't bring him up too far and hit me in the leg. Little flathead. All the big ones have been caught.
That one's not bad.
Measure it.
It's just not
That's bigger.
Yeah. Oh.
What is that?
Oh. That's a
Flathead?
keeper.
Keeper?
Looks like
Maybe?
Oh.
Feel different? Oh, it is. Hello! Hello, little Mrs. Gardner! Hello! Hello, Jack! Hello, Jack! Hey? Are you good puppies? Are you good puppies? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? You did? Come say hello. Come say hello. I went fishing. Yeah, I went fishing. You good puppies, aren't you? You good puppies. Hey? Yeah, you good puppies. You good puppies. You good puppies. Good puppies.